Stock number 6337 for sale by Consignment at Classic Auto Mall is a recently restored 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air four-door sedan that's been owned and garaged by the same person for the last 65 years. This classic is covered in Glacier Blue paint with India Ivory roof, giving it a wonderfully understated and original appearance. It has a rebuilt 235 inline 6-cylinder and a 3-speed manual, 3-on-the-tree shifter with drum brakes on all 4 corners, and looks like it may have emerged from a showroom in the fall of '55. Classic Auto Mall has more than 1,000 cars for sale via consignment in our massive climate-controlled showroom in Morgantown, Pennsylvania. Classic Auto Mall's inventory is fluid and vehicles described may not be available at time of broadcast. Classic Auto Mall, a great place to buy or sell a car through consignment because it's safe, easy, and secure. Plus, we advertise, sell, and ship worldwide. Easily search for your next classic at classicautomall.com.